Dear students, this is third lecture on chapter 2nd, fractions and decimals, from your maths book of class 7th. In this lecture, I will explain about the reciprocal of a fraction, division of a fraction by a whole number, etc. Now, whatever I am explaining here, you have to write it in your class work. Now, a reciprocal of a fraction. Two numbers are reciprocals of each other if their product is 1. For example, 2 upon 3 into 3 by 2 is equal to 1, as this 2 divided by 2, 2 1 2, 2 1 2, and 3 1 3, 3 1 3 gives 1. So reciprocal of 2 upon 3 is 3 by 2, and reciprocal of 3 by 2 is this 2 by 3. So reciprocal of 2 upon 3 is equal to 3 by 2. In this way, the reciprocal of a fraction a upon b is equal to b upon a. Now, division of a fraction by a whole number. To divide a fraction by a whole number, we multiply the fraction by reciprocal of a whole number. For example, 2 upon 3 divided by 5 is equal to 2 upon 3 into 1 upon 5 is equal to 2 1 2 and 3 5 15, 2 upon 15. Now, division of a whole number by a fraction. To divide a whole number by any fraction, multiply that whole number by the reciprocal of that fraction. For example, 15 divided by 2 whole 2 upon 5 is equal to 15 by 1 divided by 5 2 10 plus 2, 12 upon 5 is equal to 15 upon 1 into 5 by 12 dividing by 3. 3 5 15, 3 4 12, 5 5 25 upon 4 is equal to 6 whole 1 upon 4, as 4 6 24 plus 1, 25 by 4. This is answer. Now, division of a fraction by another fraction. While dividing one fraction by another fraction, we multiply the first fraction by the reciprocal of the other fraction. For example, 3 upon 4 divided by 3 upon 8 is equal to 3 upon 4 into 8 upon 3. 3 divided by 3, 3 1 3, 3 1 3, 4 1 4, 4 2 8 is equal to 2. This is the answer. Now, you have to write it in your class work. Now, we have to solve. Let us practice 2.3. Question number first. In this question, we have to solve this one. 4 upon 6 divided by 1 upon 6 is equal to 4 upon 6 into 6 upon 1. 6 1 6, 6 1 6 is equal to 4. This is answer. Now, sixth part is 8 upon 12 divided by 3 upon 7 is equal to 8 upon 12 into 7 upon 3, reciprocal of this fraction, divided by 4. 4 2 8, 4 3 12, 2 7 14, 3 3 9, 14 upon 9 is equal to 1 whole 5 by 9, as 9 1 9 plus 5 gives 14 upon 9. This is answer. Now, second question, first part, 12 divided by 1 upon 4. In this question, we have to solve this. Is equal to 12 upon 1 into 4 upon 1. 12 4 48. This is answer. Now, sixth part is 5 divided by 3 whole 4 upon 7 is equal to 5 by 1 divided by 7 3 21 plus 4. 25 by 7 is equal to 5 upon 1 into 7 upon 25. Dividing by 5. 5 1 5, 5 5 25, 7 upon 5 is equal to 1 whole 2 upon 5. This is the answer. Now, question number third. First part, 3 upon 5 divided by 6 is equal to 3 upon 5 into 1 upon 6. 3 1 3, 3 2 6 is equal to 1 upon 10. This is the answer. Now, sixth part is 12 whole 1 upon 3 divided by 148 is equal to 12 3 36 plus 1, 37 upon 3 into 1 upon 148. 37 1 37, 37 4 148 is equal to 1 upon 12, as 3 4 12. This is answer. Now, question number 5. Sridharan took a bus from a bus stop for 8 upon 9 mile in a city. The bus stops for every 2 upon 9 mile. How many times the bus stops while Sridharan was on it? In this question, we have to find the number of times the bus stops. Distance covered by the bus from the bus stop is equal to 8 upon 9 mile. Since the bus stops for every 2 upon 9 mile, so number of times the bus stops is equal to this divided by this. Means 8 upon 9 divided by 2 upon 9 is equal to 8 upon 9 into 9 by 2. 2 1 2, 2 4 8, 9 1 9, 9 1 9 is equal to 4 times. This is the answer. Now question number 7th. In this question, Disha built a tower of blocks that was 2 upon 3 meter tall. The blocks were each 1 upon 15 meter tall. How many blocks did she use? In this question, we have to find the number of blocks Disha used. Height of the tower is equal to 2 upon 3 meter. Height of each block is equal to 1 upon 15 meter. So number of blocks used is equal to 2 upon 3 divided by 1 upon 15 is equal to 2 upon 3 into 15 by 1. 3 1 3, 3 5 15, 2 5 10. 10 blocks. This is answer. Now question number 9. Yukti climbed 1 upon 2 of the stairs at her house. Each stair was 1 upon 14 of the staircase. How many stairs had she climbed? In this question, we have to find the number of stairs climbed by Yukti. Fraction of the stairs Yukti climbed is equal to 1 upon 2. Fraction of each stair is equal to 1 upon 14. So number of stairs climbed by Yukti is equal to this divided by this. 1 upon 2 divided by 1 upon 14 is equal to 1 upon 2 into 14 upon 1. 2 1 2, 2 7 40 is equal to 7 stairs. This is answer. And you have to write it in your classwork. Now homework of let us practice 2.3. Question number 1st, 2nd to 5th part. Question number 2nd, 2nd to 5th part. Question number 3rd, 2nd to 5th part. And question number 4, question number 6 and question number 8. You have to do it in your homework. Our next topic is decimals. A small dot denotes the decimal point. It separates the whole number and the fractional part. For example, 7.3802 here. 7 is whole number part as it is whole number. And this is fractional part. The place value of the digits that are on the left of decimal point in order are 1, tens, hundreds, thousands, etc. and so on. And the place values of the digits that are on the right of the decimal point are 10th, 100th, 1000th, or 1 upon 10, 1 upon 100, 1 upon 1000, and so on. Now, comparison of decimals. First point. Place zeros at the end of the number so that all numbers have the same decimal places. Second point, compare whole number parts. The decimal number having greater whole number part is greater. And third point is, if the whole number part is equal, then compare the 10th digit. The decimal number having greater 10th digit is greater. Fourth point is, if the whole number part and the tens digits are equal, then compare the 100th digits and so on. For example, we have to compare 7.8532 and 7.8530. This decimal number is written here and this decimal number is written here. We have to compare which decimal number is greater. Here, this decimal number's whole number part is 7. This is 7. Same digit. 10th digit of this decimal number is 8. And 10th digit of this decimal number is also 8. Same digit. 100th digit of this decimal number is 5. 100th digit of this decimal number is also 5. Same digit. 1000th digit of this decimal number is 3. 1000 plus digit is 3. Same digit. And 10,000th place of this decimal number is 2 and 10,000th place of this decimal number is 0, 2 is greater than 0, means this decimal number is greater than this decimal number. Therefore, 7.8532 is greater than 7.8530. You have to write it in your class work. Now, we have to solve. Let us practice 2.4. Question number first part, 0.5 or 0.06. In this question, we have to find which decimal number is greater. This decimal number 0.5 can be written as 0.50 and this 0.06. The whole number part is 0, 0, same digit. The 10th digit of this decimal number is 5. The 10th digit of this decimal number is 0. Since 5 is greater than 0, so this number is greater than this number. Therefore, 0.5 is greater than 0.06. This is the answer. Now, second part, 7 hours 0.7. In this question, we have to find which number is greater. 7 can be written as 7.0 and 0.7 is here. We have to compare the whole number part. Whole number is 7, here whole number is 0. Since 7 is greater than 0, therefore 7.0 is greater than 0.7. Therefore, 7 is greater than 0.7. This is answer. Sixth part, 7.6923 or 7.0923. In this question, we have to find which one is greater, this or this. This decimal number is written here and this decimal number is written here. Both have same decimal places, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Means 10th, 100th, 1000th and 10,000th place. First, we have to compare the whole number part. Here, whole number is 7. Here, whole number is 7. Same digit. 10th digit is 6 and 10th digit is 0. Since 6 is greater than 0, therefore this decimal number is greater than this decimal number. Hence, 7.6923 is greater than 7.0923. This is answer. You have to write it in your classwork. Now, for homework, let us practice 2.4. Question number first, third to fifth part, and question number second, which is fill in the blanks. You have to do it in your homework. It is given as a homework.